Everybody, this is LaWanda Harris right here out of Atlanta, Georgia. I know you're saying, girl, you standing outside, and yes, I am. It's a beautiful day here, but I actually just wanted to do a quick testimony because guess what? I just paid off another revolving credit card, and I'm so excited. That's my second one. So my total cash flow to date is $3,304. And you may be asking yourself, well, how did you do this? I actually did this by implementing some financial strategies that have been taught to me through a movement called Extra Digit. Now, the first strategy I was able to implement was simply by reducing my taxes, which is done by adjusting my W-4. The second one was simply done by earning some business income. And all I did was just share this information with other people. And for doing that, I was able to generate some business income. So that's how I've been able to knock out this credit card. So that's 2 down and I have 1 more to go. Now, if you're looking at this video and you are the first person that may be looking at this video is, you may have a good job. You may like what you do. But it's nothing wrong with having a home-based business. So if you are that person who's looking at this video, you like what you do, you make good money, but you say, what, LaWanda, I really do need to start earning some business income, and I need that tax deduction because my tax lady and my CPA got on me. So if that's you, great. I want to hear from you. You can leave a comment. 2, if you are that type of person who is tired of living paycheck to paycheck, and you just need some extra money, whether it's $1,000 a week, $1,000 a month, whatever the case, and you say, what, LaWanda, I really do need to start looking at some other things. I need an emergency fund. I need to start saving towards my kids' college education. If that's you, then I want to hear from you as well. Now, if you are the type of person who has no revolving credit card debt, the first thing I want to do is commend you. Congratulations. If you don't have any debt, and you may be saying, well, I don't have debt, so what about me? If you don't, what you can do is take that money and start you an investment account. We have business partners who are earning 12%, 15%, 19% return on their investments. And so if that's you, if you want to reduce taxes, earn some business income, start an investment account, if you want to do 1, 2, 3, or all 3 of the strategies, then this movement is for you. Because we don't discriminate. If you are an entrepreneur, a stay-at-home mom, like I said, you may have a corporate job, whatever the case, doctors, lawyers, this movement is for everybody. Because at the end of the day, who does not want to start a financial future and have some type of relief, financial relief? If it's not for you, for your kids, for your kids' kids. That's what it's about. It's not always about us, but it's about who we can help financially down the road. So what I want you to do, if you're looking at this video, I want you to actually go to my website, www.lawandaharris.com. Again, that's lawandaharris.com. Or feel free just to leave me a comment. I just want to hear back from you, get your thoughts on this. But again, it's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. I'm so excited. I look forward to hearing back from you. And most importantly, I look forward to doing business with you. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.